What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add crossplay friends in Battlefield 6. Start by opening EA Connect. On PlayStation press R2, on Xbox press RT, and on PC you can press the tab key to bring it up. Once EA Connect is open, go to the player search tab at the top by pressing R1 or RB. This is where you can look up your friends across different platforms. Type in your friend's EA ID or you can use their platform username if you prefer. Using the EA ID usually gives the most accurate results, so I recommend entering that if possible. After you type their name, wait a moment for the results to load. Their profile should appear under the other platform section. Once you see your friend's name, select it and press the button your platform shows to send a friend request. All your friend needs to do next is open EA Connect, go to friend request and accept your invite. After that, you will show up in each other's friends list and you can start playing together. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.